So guys, we checked last time that how to use different commands of creating a file and reading a file. So cat was one of them, uh, and vi was also one of them, but it was used to edit the files also. If you are not editing, use the cat file. Okay. Now we can see here if you use ls command that there is one file called as linux.txt. Okay, and the other one is already a different file which we have already seen in the video. So again, I'm just showing it what we have to do. Uh, when you go inside this linux.txt like we did in the previous video, you can enter any value in it because it's a text file, so it doesn't matter what value you enter, just use it. Okay, so now we need to check what is, if you have any phrase through which you can you want to search, you want to find the file in which that phrase is available, you can use grep. Okay, so grep is the most one of the most important command. So how do we use it? Let's say we'll type grep. Okay, so grep is the command, and we want to find a particular text in a particular file, so we'll give it as grep and then text, the phrase that you want to search and the file name. So here the phrase is, as you can see here, it's in the linux.txt, and we wanted to search the word phrase. So as we had entered into before into this text file, we can see that the touch phrase is printed as in red. Okay, so that's how you use grep command. Grep phrase and the file name. So phrase was touch and linux.txt was the file name. Now we'll go back to the directory, and for that we use cd space dot dot. Okay, see, now we are back into the avi directory. Now we have cleared the screen, and again we can see that there is one file and one directory in it. Correct. So first one is the file and the second one is the directory. Again, blue one is the directory and the green one is the file. So let's cat it, and we can see the sentence that we have entered it. Again we can see check how to grep it. So just I'm showing it again because it's one of the most important command. Okay, grep linux, if we do it, if we don't give the file name, it will search whole of the file system which is available there, so it's not recommended. So again I have given the phrase is linux and the file. Okay, so linux is available in red. So again I'm writing this, the command for syntax for this: grep keyword and the file name. Keyword is the phrase that you were searching and the file name. So you have to mention the the keyword and file name. Okay, so just don't type like this because I'm showing it for the demo purpose. Now here you can see the history of all the commands. Just type history and press enter. You will see all the commands that have been entered in that particular VM for that particular session. If the session has not been ended for a long time, it will show all the commands that you have entered. Right? So again, let's move ahead with the more commands. Now we'll try to remove a file or a directory. Okay. So for that we use rm. Again, a simple command to remember: remove for rm. Okay, so rm minus r, and we are removing the linux text. Okay, linux text is removed. Now minus r means recursively. Recursively means whatever is available in that particular file, it will be removed.